Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Here's a real scenario. You have 200 vacation photos that all need resizing to 1200 pixels wide. Doing them one by one takes hours. After setting up batch processing, minutes. First, record an action. Open one photo, go to Image, then Image Size, set the width, click OK, save, and close. Stop recording. Now go to File, Automate, then Batch. Select your action, point the source to your folder of originals, and choose a destination folder for the output. Click OK. Photoshop blazes through every file automatically, applying your exact steps to each one. 200 photos resized and saved while you grab coffee. Automation at its